All right, so we just hit on that data point right there from Prequin. Fundraising for student housing, first half of the year, $20 billion, highest in a decade. At the same time, if you just do a light Google search, I like to call it a light Google search, you see enrollment in colleges is actually declining. So why is the fundraising going up while the student population appears to be going down?
Well, I think, Frank, what's happened is the hidden secret. Campus Apartments is actually the oldest student housing company in the country, founded in 1958. And, word is out that this is an institutional asset class. And I think, capital is coming there. To your point about enrollment, I think you have to kind of peel back the onion and understand that, the state and elite private schools are going to continue to grow and continue to be full. There's over 5,000 colleges and universities. That number is way too high. Okay. And just like any business, there needs to be a value for the mom and dad who are paying for it, a value for the student graduating to make sure that that degree has value. And so I think you'll always see a consolidation or a shrinking of the total number of schools. But when you look at the top 100, top 150, look at the elite private schools, that's not changing. Demand is really strong. And you're seeing a lot of student housing construction and redevelopment there.
All right. So you gave us some data on your business. You're about 99% pre-leased for the upcoming school year. Not surprising. The school year is pretty much underway right now. But also rents are higher 6% year over year. What's driving that? And what are students looking for? What are they willing to pay for? Is it about amenities? Is it about more space? I mean, what do students and I guess their parents want when it comes to housing?
Well, two things. One, I think the strong rent growth is really indicative of the fact that new starts for new supply of student housing, and that one there that you see, we delivered that in probably 2015, 2016, and so I think the starts have slowed down. They're just starting to ramp back up. Financing's more attainable these days, so you're seeing more of that. I think what's happened is when you look at the pictures that your viewers are seeing, is the level of finishes and the expectations of students today and how they want to live. Every bedroom we build has its own bathroom. You see, and we furnish all the units so that mom and dad only have to show up with their suitcase and their kid's laptop. So we're trying to just create a really easy experience for everyone to come in and move in.
Okay, so you're saying it's about ease of, I guess, less friction when it comes to moving in. But what about amenities? You and I, we talk privately. My uncle's in real estate development. He's developed some campus housing and some schools down south. I'm not going to name the school, but they have like lazy rivers. They have tanning beds. They have jacuzzis. They have all types of things. As we go forward, are those the properties that you expect to see the biggest rent growth and the biggest leasing? Or are there other factors? Like when I was in school, it was just a washer and dryer. That was an amenity.
You had a washer and dryer? Wow. No, I didn't. I mean, it was really what's changed has changed. And so think about we create like contemplation spaces, fire pits, outdoor areas. Our fitness centers would rival what you'd see at an Equinox in New York. And so that high-end amenity, the fact that the lounges where the students are doing their work and hanging out just feels like so upscale, so comfortable. And so we're making them comfortable. We're making it easy for the students to have all the amenities on site, from fitness to outdoor space, fire pits, what have you, and then generally close to campus, making that easy as well. And then the one thing that no one really talks about, the most important amenity at a student housing property, is internet and how fast your internet is.